Today's day 7. Patient just came in. We are observing his microscapes. Most of the microscap already dry, and now we're going to start the smart graft care on day 7 so that all these microscapes will be out today. After today, day 7, once the microscape is already out, we can see all the graph, the angle, the direction, the density more precisely. And patient will be very comfortable today that he can go out in public without the appearance of the microscope anymore. The smart graft care completed. Now is the judgment time. We can see the density, we can see all the hair intact, and we can see the angle and direction is going down like this, following exactly the surrounding area.
Yeah, I feel great. Today is day 7 of the Smart FUE. I feel very comfortable. The scalp has come out and I can go out normally as usual.